our underbar sink with glass rinser. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 18 inches, a depth of 22.5 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Measurements for the interior sink. We have 14 inches in length, 10 inches in depth, and a height of 7 inches tall. Strainer will be included along with the faucet. Faucet spout measuring 6 inches. Left and right mounts measuring 4 inches. Features include a dipping well. Tin will be included, with that measuring 5 inches in radius by 5.5 inches in height. Dipping well is placed on the right corner, and on top will be the faucet. So utensils such as ice cream scoops, forks, spoons, knives, and much more can be placed into that well for rinsing and washing. Coming to the second and last feature will be the push rinse option. So by placing the bowl or the cup downwards onto the tab, it will rinse and wash that utensil. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.